At long last, we're ready to grill our shrimp. Our skewers have been soaking and our shrimp have been marinating for about 20 minutes. You're going to take your pre-cut skewer, you're going to grab the beautiful shrimps, and you're going to go from the back end forward, where it's thicker and meatier. You're going to push it all the way through. Now, I'm going to, for the sake of time, I'm going to do 2 at a time on here because this is going to be a main course. Now, if I was going to do an appetizer, perhaps I would only do 1 at a time so that the guest could just pop it right in their mouth. But when I'm at an event in catering, I want to make sure that I am making the most effective use of my time. Okay? Beautiful shrimp. Another secret you can do is to reserve a little bit of this marinade before you add the raw shrimp to it so that you can use it to brush on during the grill portion or as a final touch. You can still use the marinade, however, if you've had some raw fish in it, by cooking it down and heating it to about 200 or so degrees temperature to kill all of the bad bacteria and raw fish, bad stuff, for lack of a better term. But I tend to like to say reserve a little bit ahead of time. Okay, so there we go. We're going to do about this many shrimp so we have a nice intimate affair. Boom, there we go. Onto the grill.